Good day, everyone. My name is Merger Veneranda Incabo, studying at Palawan Polytechnic College Incorporated, taking up Bachelor of Science in Secondary Education, major in English. For today, let's tackle about data processing. So, what is data processing? Data processing is the conversion of data into usable and designed form. This conversation or processing carried out using a predefined sequence of operations either manually or automatically. Data processing is basically synchronizing all the data entered into the software in order to filter out the most useful information out of it. This is the very important task for any company as it helps them in extracting most relevant content for data use. Every important sector, be that banks, school, colleges, or big companies, almost all requires this processing of data to be performed in order to store the most defined information in their systems for later use. Real-world application of data processing. With implementation of proper security algorithms and protocols, it can also be ensured that the inputs and the processed information is safe and stored securely without authorized access or changes. With properly processed data, it can help researchers to write scholarly materials and use them for educational purposes. The same can be applied for evaluation of economic, such as access and factors. In the healthcare industry, the processed data can be used for quicker retrieval of information and even save lives. Apart from that, illness consuming for finding solutions, processed data can also help in making sure that all staff and workers can understand it easily and implement them in work. Now, let's tackle about focus of data processing. Since most business and fields require data for producing a good quality of service, having a collection of insight about collected data and their implications is a very important aspect of managing it and ensuring statistical authenticity. It is particularly essential for services concerned with financial technologies where transaction data and payment details need to be properly served for easily accessed by customers as well as the company officials upon need. While the manual option uses brain power and intelligence, electronic data processing techniques can save a lot of time and ensure a smooth workflow and ensure adherence and deadlines. Accuracy is also higher with electronic processing. One of the essential aspects of this is to make sure that the insight form used are stored for future and shared use to save computational power and time. Now, let's proceed in fundamental of data processing and how data is processed. Processing of data is required by any activity which requires a collection of data. This data collected needs to be stored, sorted, processed, analyzed, and presented. This complete process can be divided into 6 simple primary stages, which are data collection. Data collection. Once the data is collected, the need for data entry emerges for storage of data. The second is storage of data. Storage of data can be done in physical form by use of papers, in notebooks, or in any other physical form. The third is sorting of data. Sorting of data is any process that involves arranging the data into some meaningful order to make it easier to understand, analyze, and visualize. The fourth one is processing data. Processing data, this continuous use and process of data follows a cycle called the data processing cycle and information processing cycle, which might provide instant results or take time depending upon the need of processing data completely in this field is increasing, which is creating a need for advanced techniques. The need to process data is now widely realized and reflected in every field of work. Let the work be done in a business atmosphere or for educational research purpose. It is a multidimensional process which is involved in almost every field of human life. Generally speaking, the term data processing is used when you have to code enumerate data files from different sources. You have to arrange them in a way that can be practically beneficial for the purpose you have gathered all that material. It is a task of synchronizing collected data from different sources and convert it to an arranged form. The invention of computer technology was one of the most important events of all time. With the improvement of computer technology and ease of use, it has become a popular technology in the hands of many. Data processing has also become popular with computer systems, making it easier to be handled. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned a lot. Bye bye.